Hello, it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic, and I'm back with my first craft haul for June. This is from Craft Online, and as you can see, I finally got my hands on the new Salvage Patina Distress Oxide colour. So I'm really glad to get this. I know it's been sold out quite a few places online for a while. And I'll be honest, I popped into my local store a few weeks ago and they did have it in, but I was really disappointed that it was an extra $4. And because I was spending less than $20, they wanted me then to pay additional 50 cents for the FPOS fee, which obviously it's COVID, everything is contactless. So I just thought, do I really want to pay an extra $4.50 for this? And the answer was no. So I walked out the shop and really disappointed because I do spend a lot of money in the love of scrap. Really pleased to get this and look forward to using this colour. The other thing I really needed in my stash was some more of these nibs. After getting the refills, I've noticed a few of them now need the nibs redoing. Just get a piece of scrap and I'll try and show you. It's just can you see? It's just completely dried up. It feels really sticky and gunky. So definitely need to get a refill on that one. So I thought I'd pick these up as well whilst I was needing to do an order. The other thing I needed was these dies for this Flip Flop Butterfly Kisses. I'd got the stamp itself from the D-Stash group on Facebook. If you saw my whole video for May, you'll know that. So I also wanted to pick these up. Now the things that I didn't really need that I did the order for, because if you spend $50, you don't pay for postage. So I wanted to get another one of these multi-mediums matte. I've got the tub, and what I've been doing, I have been using a syringe to inject it into this bottle. I got this idea from Natasha Foot and it's worked for a little while, but for some reason now, and I don't know, I've tried washing it, it's just not working for me anymore. It's just all gunked up, doesn't come out. So I thought what I might do, because this was only $4, is actually just buy this little bottle. And then hopefully this top will come out just like the other one does, and then I can refill this. Yeah, so it does. So I thought maybe this might be a better option than using just this cheap bottle. So give that a go, hopefully it will work, and then I can just use this all the time and refill this one. Also picked up this Nuvo brush. It was on special. I've been wanting this for a while just to kind of keep my desk clean. It's always a mess when you use glitter, isn't it, and sequins. Whoops. How cute is that? So it's even got this little protective cover that I can keep it in, so I might keep that actually. But I thought this would be great to try and keep my desk area a bit cleaner. And you know, even when you're using embossing powders and stuff, they get so messy, so I thought this would be good for that. And then the other thing that I really needed was some more vinyl. So I just got the black and white in this. 5 in the pack, they're 12 by 12 sheets, and they're only $2.99. So I thought I'd give those a go, see what the quality's like. So nice and cheap and cheerful if they work. So that is my little craft haul from Craft Online. Got something else to quickly show you. This was from Aldi, yes, the supermarket, and I got a couple of these fat quarters. So you can see these are quite a good size. I'll not take them out because they look quite nice and neat in the little packages, but it's a 6-pack and they were $3.99, so about 60 cents each. It's pretty good value, and these look super cute. They're obviously all matching, so I don't need to worry too much. Oh, what's this? So I don't need to worry too much about matching them up. Oh, and it's got a little pattern in actually to make a patchwork bag. Ooh, that's weird. I didn't realise it had anything like that inside. I wonder if this is the same one or maybe a different design. Oh no, it's the same one. But you can see these are different colours, but very, very cute. So they were a bargain, $12 for those. And I also got an order today from Amazon that arrived. Yes, it's the Cricut Easy Press Mini. Let me just get this out for you. So I've been wanting one of these for ages. Couldn't really justify it because I've already got one of the Easy Press machines. But I thought this is going to be great for the smaller fiddly stuff. Right, let me get this open so I can show you. Oh, look how cute it is. It is tiny, isn't it? So this is going to be great for small things. There's some caps that I want to do. It's so tiny, so tiny. Look, it's the palm of my hand, that's how small it is. So obviously it doesn't have the timer, but you can control the temperature using this at the front, and it does obviously have its little cradle as well. And this is magnetic at the bottom. So that is going to be a great little addition to all my Cricut stuff. And it's got its little instructions. You can see here all the different temperatures it does and so on. So yes, I'm glad I got that. That was a bit of a bargain from Amazon because it was on sale, and also if I did an order from, it was a promotion code, if I did an order from the mobile app I saved an additional $10. So of course I downloaded the app, it was worth it to save $10. Because I've got the Prime membership, it literally came the next working day, which was amazing as well, because even when I have decided to get this in the Spotlight sale, it's always been out of stock. So I'm glad I got that for a good price. And that is my craft haul for June complete. Not too much, but I have got a few little more expensive stuff included in that. So thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Have a great crafting week.